You want to focus. You want to win. You want to stay on your goals, but your mind escapes. One message, one video, one small distraction, and your focus is gone again. And slowly, your dream feels far. But here is the truth. Focus is not talent. Focus is training. Focus is a decision you make every day. Today, you will learn 5 simple focus rules that can change your life step by step. This is the Path English. Speak with me. Repeat with me. Let's begin. Part 1. Remember your reason. You don't lose focus because you are lazy. You lose focus because you forget why you started. When your reason is weak, everything can distract you. But when your reason is strong, focus becomes natural. Ask yourself, why am I doing this? Who am I doing this for? When your reason has emotion, your focus has power. Say it. My reason is stronger than my distractions. Part 2. One task. Full power. Most people do many things, but finish nothing. They are busy, but not productive. Here is the truth. One focused hour is stronger than 10 distracted hours. Every day, choose one important task. Not 5, not 10, just one. And give it your full attention. No phone, no switching, no excuses. Say it. One task, one focus, one win. Part 3. Control your time. You say you don't have time, but time is not the problem. Awareness is the problem. Hours disappear, scrolling, watching, waiting. But what you track, you control. Start today. Watch how you spend your time. Cut 1 hour of distraction and give it to your future. 1 hour a day can change your life. Say it. I control my time. I control my life. Part 4. Start now. You wait for motivation. You wait for the perfect moment. But the perfect moment doesn't exist. Starting is the key. Not tomorrow, not later. Now. Use this simple rule. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. Move your body. Start small. 1 page, 1 minute, 1 step. Small starts create big results. Say it. I start now. I don't wait. Part 5. Protect your environment. Your focus is not weak. Your environment is noise, phone, people, mess. All of this steals your attention. So change your space. Clean your desk. Remove distractions. Create silence. Because a clear space creates a clear mind. Say it. I protect my space. I protect my focus. Great job today. You didn't just listen. You practiced. You trained your mind. Remember, small focus builds big success. Come back. Listen again. Speak again. This is the Path English. Keep going. Your future is waiting.